melody starts to rise, a symphony of grace reflected in my eyes. You pulled me from the pit, you set my feet on stone. This love you've given me, I could never have known. So what else could I do? What else could I say but offer all my heart on this altar? Here I lay. Ndinotenda Baba, my heart overflows. Ndinokutenda mwari, your love has made me whole. For every breath, for life you give, ndinopupura zita renyu. Hallelujah, I will sing. Who is like you? No one like you. Who can do what you do? No one, Jesus. Your works are wonderful. Jivino shamisa, Jino shamisa.
Makandichenura mumvura yeroparenyu, makandisunungura, makandidzikinura. Zita renyu ndiro simba rangu, munoziva zviri pamoyo pangu. So I lift my hands up, I lift my voice up high. Is amazing. Jino shamisa, I'm lost in your presence, caught in this holy moment. There's no place I'd rather be. Ndinokudai mwari wangu, your spirit surrounds me. Where when you unknown disaster, I'm falling in love with you all over again. Yes, I'm falling in love. Holy Ndinotenda, Ndinotenda, for you are good, you are good. Ndinotenda.